on the street again, back on track. Oh, so I just left Calgary, the bumpy streets of Calgary. Now I'm going east until I reach the coast of Newfoundland, New Scotland, whatever, Nova Scotia. And after 400 k's, my Jane wanted to have a renewal. Just wanted to have a new link. One was a little bit crashed inside my drivetrain. I went out of Calgary on Highway 109 and now I'm going south on Highway 24 in direction Vulcan. Good morning, folks! Today is again a beautiful day against the weather forecast, or the weather forecast says in the afternoon it will come rain, so I don't know. I just left Carseland this morning and then I went over 7 hills. No, it was only 5 hills, but quite up. Now I went through Mossleigh. There are some old grain, whatever these buildings are. Maybe you see it in the back. And now I will go to Vulcan. So here I am in Vulcan. Good morning, folks! Today I left Vulcan. A bit better weather today. Yesterday it was pouring down, it was freaking cold, but today it's just overcast but still freaking cold. Not much wind. I mean, there's still headwind for sure. What else? I'm always going in that direction and the wind comes, or the wind comes always from that direction and I will go. So today I tried to make for the 100 k's to Lethbridge. Live long and prosper. come to Lethbridge. For sure, that's where I'm gonna go, and that's where it's gonna rain.